what are we doing today?
Making Newfoundland treats.
Yeah, well, we're gonna eat Newfoundland treats. We went to Walmart today. And we're gonna go into the international food aisle. Run. The food of your people. Syrup. Let's get it sorted. Is that enough? Yeah. All right, sounds good.
Well, 47.
So we have soda crackers, jams.
Jam jam. I love jam jam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what these are?
Yeah, candy.
Okay.
That's for strawberry.
Yeah, purity syrup. So we're gonna do a taste test.
I'm doing the candy one.
Candy. We're gonna start with the crackers because they are not sweet.
They're not sweet, they're stinky.
Well, they're like savory. Got it. All right, and you're gonna try a cracker first. You tell us what you think of it.
They're not sweet.
They're not sweet. They're just
Sour.
they're not sour. Just a regular cracker. Try it. Ready? It's like a saltine, but it's not salted. But it's not as crunchy as like a regular cracker. It's kind of soft in a way. Did you like it? What did you think about it? Jam. This is a cookie. Well, it's 2 cookies, and in the middle is jam.
I'm supposed to eat it with a cup of tea.
And you're supposed to eat it with a cup of tea, but it's really late, so we're not having a cup of tea. Okay.
Yummy.
What do you think?
It is yummy.
Yeah, you like these ones? The cookie's really soft, and the jam is good. What kind of jam is it? Standard jam. Kisses. Peanut butter, butterscotch, molasses. Oh, molasses is the ones we used to get when I was growing up.
I want it.
Banana. Let's try a molasses one first, because I feel like that's more traditional style. This is the molasses candy. Do you like it? It's really chewy, and it's really sweet. And this is purity syrup, and you just mix it with water.
It
says.
It's for strawberry.
Yeah, it's strawberry flavor. There's a few different flavors there. I grabbed the strawberry one. And you can, the directions say, for a refreshing drink, add 50 milliliters of purity syrup to 250 milliliters of water, or your favorite mix.
That's way too much.
It's too much?
You just want a soup of syrup.
Mix it up.
Cheers.
Cheers. Just tastes like sugar juice, I guess.
It's sugar juice.
Is it? I know people use these for different things, like they'll make slush and stuff out of it.
It looks like sugar juice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Strawberry juice? I don't know.
It looks like strawberry juice.
I feel like if I didn't grow up drinking it as a kid, and I didn't, I wouldn't be a big fan. It's like, it's a strawberry flavoring in water, basically. It's exactly what you probably think it is. It's just syrup and water. Do you like it?
Yep.
Yep. I'm gonna try the peanut butter candy. The peanut butter candy tastes exactly like the molasses candy. This one's molasses.
This thing is like that.
They all taste the same.
Higher.
tastes a little bit different. It's like all of the other ones with like a slight banana flavoring. You didn't like, oh. You didn't like that one, did you?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. And now that he's had a bunch of sugar, I'm gonna try to get him to bed. That was our purity syrup tasting. Hope you enjoyed it. I would recommend the Jam Jams.
Sometimes.
Syrupar.
Oh, okay. The red one.
You want the red one? It's not red. It's molasses.
It is red. Ugh. I don't want it. Bye, everybody. Night. See you tomorrow. Happy Christmas, everyone. Christmas at Walmart.
Christmas at Walmart? It was Christmas at Walmart today, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to do grabbing things?
Do I want to what?
Grab.
Grab things?
Yeah.
Like what?
I can use my money to grab the things.
Oh, you want to buy the grabber things?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna pay for it. For it grab things.
You're gonna pay for it?
Yeah.
Sure, buddy. You can buy whatever you want if you can pay for it.